Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this charging set. We have the wall brick here, and we have their new future racing cable set. This is actually pretty cool. I've got a few different pieces to show you guys, so let's get started. And this is from AOHI. Here is the GaN 140 watt power brick. It has two USB-C ports and a USB-A port right there. It also has a indicator light on both this part, and then this cable set also has an indicator light. So I'm going to take this apart here and show you guys how it comes and how it works. So in here you have a few different pieces. You've got these two cables right here. One of them is a USB-A to USB-C, and then USB-C to USB-C. And then the extension cable is a USB-C to USB-C right here. So what you can do is you can take this one and plug it into here like this, and you've got USB-C to C. Or you can take this one, which I haven't used because I don't have much use for USB-A. You can take this one, put it in there like that, and you have USB-A to USB-C. You can also use these pieces individually without the extension cable, of course. So if you want to use this with like a power bank, like it shows up here on the box, you can do that. And these cables do support data. So let me get the box here so you guys can kind of see it. It's kind of reflective, so it's hard to see. I'm just going to explain it. So when you're using the USB-C to C, it's 40 gigabits a second. For the C to C, 10 gigabits a second for A to C, and then that works both ways with the extender as well. And then with the USB-C to C, you can do up to 8K video as well as with the extender. So data support as well as up to 8K video for monitors. 40 watt support with the USB-A to C, and then 240 watt support with the C to C cable. So a lot of different stuff there, and it also comes with this nifty little carrying pouch right here for your extension cable and all your stuff, so you can take it and travel with it. Like I said, the status light on the cable and the box do show whether it is standard charging, standby, or fast charging from any of the ports, so you can look at that light and know what your device is doing, which is very handy because I actually plugged something into this the other day. I had a case on with USB-C pass-through, and I realized that that did not support fast charging on my iPhone, so I was able to tell that with the light. So I'm going to leave all this down in the description below where you guys can pick this up and check it out for yourself. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.